Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Colorado LT. Comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as lane keep assist, forward collision alert, trailer brake controller, heated cloth bucket seats, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling and cup holder storage at the bottom, right next to the speakers. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows. Chrome accent handle here. You're in the driver adjustable, heated cloth bucket seats, very comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents, and down below you're going to have your trailer brake controller. And left side of the steering will be your cruise control and forward collision alert. The right side will be your voice recognition and odometer switch, as well as your audio control. Now the odometer, all digital. You can switch through Google Maps here. You can also switch through your gap adjuster. And of course, you're gonna have the simplification design and just your classic one with the audio. It's gonna be push to start and onto the infotainment system. To access like your vehicle status here, it's only on the infotainment system, not the odometer. And it gives you a whole 360 view of the truck and what you need and everything you need to see for your economy. It's built in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot, and of course my Chevrolet and Google Podcasts and news. So on the bottom, you're going to have your auto stop, as well as your lane keep assist, your auxiliary switch, of course the vents, 2 USB ports, wireless charging pad, of course you're going to have the 2- and 4-wheel drive and the shifter, as well as the cup holder and the center console storage as well. Passenger side's manually adjustable, heated cloth, same finish on the door. You're going to have the chrome across the dash, speakers and vents up top. And here you can access your reading lamps, as well as your OnStar and your SOS. You're going to be 17-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Territory tires. You're going to have the gray mirror caps, paint match keyless entry door handle, of course with the 4x4, corner step bumper as well, with your trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. Of course with the Colorado tailgate. You're going to have the built-in ruler, storage inside here, about 4 bed tie downs, and a manually rear sliding window. Very comfortable. Moving on to the rear interior, cup holder storage next to the speakers again, power windows, the chrome handle. It's Colorado, don't expect too much leg room. Storage behind the passenger side with rear cup holders, ventilation, and a USB-C port, as well as some extra storage down below. And as well as you can fold up the tab here, fold up the seat, lamps up top, and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Colorado LT. Comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine, as well as lane keep assist, forward collision alert, trailer brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.